Gonna get out of bed?
Never.
I'll tickle you out of bed. I'll tickle you out of bed.
I can't stay here all day.
Still thinking of us.
Maybe I might go there.
Can we make up? It's so hard to forget all the bad things that went on between us. Those times are better. You know we were better. I know that we're us, but all I want is you. Hanging on your front porch, arguing about who loves who more. Let's take it back to you and I. I'm your
Now you can see ants. There's no dirty dishes. This is why I can't have a rubbish bin. Okay, so my partner is about to come around soon, and if only he would get rid of this splashback. Like, really, look at it, it is nasty. So this is what's getting done. I have 1,000,001 holes in the wall. This one, I have one up here, which was the manhole, which I now don't have a manhole. Then I've got up here where the air conditioner unit used to be, and when the plumber installed a new one, he said it should be up higher. I said, no worries, I'll get someone to fix those holes. And then down here, yes, an electrician made that. There is a hole there. Okay, this is the next area that I want to work on, and like, the cupboards look really organised if you have a look in here, but when I have all my cleaning stuff like dried, folded and put away, as you can see there's some here, this is what ends up happening. And a lot of this stuff doesn't actually get used, or if it does, it gets used like once in the blue moon. So I'm thinking I could just take some of this out and put this in my cleaning basket thing in the shed, and then when I do need to use it I can go out and just grab it. But all the stuff that I actually use every day is on hand, so I don't have to have bits and pieces like this just messy and laying around. It's like really filthy, like something spilt obviously once upon a time in there. And again, there's stuff in here that I don't use, like the fabric softener for instance. I don't use fabric softener, I actually use vinegar, so I'm thinking that I'm going to ditch that as well, and just go through everything and just, yeah, do a nice big cull.
I met you in the morning, summertime. The skies were warm and golden, mid-July. I dove into the blue in your eyes. I'm holding on to you, yeah. All of the nights in my room were lonely, and all that I wanted was you to hold me. I lay here and talk to the moon. She told me I should never let you go. Close your eyes, stay the night. I keep falling by your side. Watch the tides hold me, darling. All that I wanted was you. I know that you're feeling it too. Close your eyes, stay the night. Hold me, darling. Hold me, darling. Hold me, darling. You took me to the ocean, 2 a.m. The air was cool and
Okay, now to sort through this. This does not get used. I'm so going to put this in my garbage bin. Hopefully it smells nice afterwards. It's definitely an area that I do not clean. Okay, this is my little space that I have to work with. You can see I've got the light there, the tripod, which it gets moved around to here, so you can actually see. Okay, this is how we are looking. I have put all the cleaners at the back here. There is a little bit of room there, and it won't fit my vinegar bottle in, but when I fill that softener up and do my own little mixture, hopefully that'll use all that up. So where is that bottle of vinegar? Right there. Yeah, almost, like literally. Oh, it does fit. Why didn't it fit before? Just thinking, have I taken something out? I have taken something out. I just made up some floor cleaner. In here I have, this is all my window cleaning stuff, so I wanted to keep that all in the one basket. In the back here is just all my DuraShield products because they can't be exposed to too much heat, so that's why I haven't put them in that box, because they'll just go bad. Then usually my washing powder goes here, but I bought a giant one this week for some silly reason. I've been doing click and collect, so yeah, it's just got a bigger one and it doesn't fit in that spot. So yes, that's normally where it will go. And then up here I've just got a floor cleaner and a scrubbing brush, which is probably gonna, I don't know, it looks a bit gross to me. Might actually have to go. I think it's gonna go. I'm not gonna miss it. So that is how this is looking in here. I'm pretty happy with it. Now this is really annoying me, this pooper scoop here. Yes, it's gross, it's sitting there. I actually wanted it on the wall door here. And I went to go out to the shed to get the 3M hooks, and all of them, like the sticky stuff, is not sticky. So obviously they can't be exposed to heat either, or something that's out there has made it so they're not stickable. So lesson learnt there, guys. And this is how the top area turned out. There's no labels on anything, but I know what they are. Remember when I done this laundry? I reckon it would have been about 2 years ago. I posted a video on it. So I still haven't got rid of that paint stain, so I'm going to try and do that today since I did buy some terps. Okay, this is the next area I want to work on, and you can see there's lots of empty space there and then just crap just everywhere. It's a lot less cluttered than what it used to be. So the real issue in here is actually the fact that I've got no, like these shelving are absolutely useless. They were designed for DVDs. So yeah, I am going to just put all this like cushions and that up here because they don't really get used that much. Like it's just if we're having a lounge around on the TV and stuff. So
I know a girl who's so fine, she's running laps around my heart. She's more than perfect, she's not the type to go play a part. She came and killed my whole life, and just like Mike Tyson, now I'm here seeing stars. I could take all of my time just trying to describe her. I don't know where to start. All my life I knew she's my
I know it's not perfect, but how much better does that look? So much better without those balls. Okay, this is the end result. I know it doesn't look great up there, but the shelves don't fit. It's going to sit on there, so it's better than being all down here. I was actually thinking I might go and get a shoe rack from Kmart to put down there, I reckon, because the shoe arrangement out there is just not working. I've got our bags that go there, and this can be a little cool little charging station, so I might be able to set something up. This printer is actually my new printer, so if you're wondering why I've got two, but since I changed Wi-Fi, like I changed internet providers, it won't let me delete off the old one, so I have to speak to my cousin about that before I can throw out that old printer, because this prints off my old computer. I don't know, it's just, yeah, anyway. So it's temporary, and then I've just got some books up there, my camera gear. It's just really a random catch-all cupboard, but I really did want to make this like a drop zone cupboard as for like when Talia goes to school, and you know, she can keep her iPads and laptop and everything, whatever she has, can go on charge, and yeah, a printing station, and then just a station where we can just, yeah, nice little home hub basically of things that we can grab and go that go in our bags, and we go like tissues and all that sorts of things. So one of our discussions has been the tiles here. I tried to bat my eyelashes to get this cut out. Apparently to cut all this off and replaster it is like a whole weekend job. But yeah, then it needs to be replastered under here then, or then there's going to be a strip there. It just looks shit. So apparently I'm gonna pull all the tiles off one by one. Yep. This one's easy to get under, but the rest of them are not easy to get under. That's gonna be an interesting, fun job for me to do. So the place is starting to get there. I think it's just gonna be like this big wall of patches for a while. Because I'm not gonna do anything until I literally go to paint. Like, I'll have patchy walls for a while until then. I'm just gonna do it all together because I've got like lots of little holes and bits in the walls. So you will see a video on that, I reckon. I reckon I'll have to take advantage of that. So be sort of like maybe a mini sort of makeover or a bit of a refresh in here. And yeah, so that's probably gonna be a while away though. There's gonna be a few more projects before that one. And then in here, obviously the pantry. Now, this here, it functions really well, but God, it's dog ugly. And you can't clean it properly. Like, this is yellow tongue. And it's just so hideous. Like, it's just grainy and gross. So, I'm talking about fixing this area in here and putting real shelves in here, which, oh my gosh, it would be like heaven. And maybe a slide out drawer at the bottom would be cool. But anyway, that's food for thought. So this is how we end our night most nights with Cosmic Kids, just a way of getting that mother-daughter bonding time as well as some exercise for the both of us. Thank you so much for coming along and watching my video. I really do appreciate the time that you do take and your ongoing support. And I will catch up with you guys next week. I hope you all have a great week and I'll see you then. Bye.